Morning. I'm gonna cheer this one up a bit because I was a bit like boring in the last one. I was a bit like robotic. So yeah, show the van a bit here. This is the kitchen counter. Got running water. Yeah, from down here. Fresh water. Dirty water. Self-explanatory. There's this little heater here. I think I might have shown that already, yeah. Cupboard for clothes. This is a little no space. There's nothing really up here, but it can be opened up and like you can put something in there. Especially just to cover the metal a bit. There's my display for everything that's going on. Power. What else have we got? Yeah, here's my continuation of kitchen counter. I've got a Dometic hob, induction hob, so that's quite cool. Little extension of my table here, just so I can eat my food there. Got the fridge here, fridge freezer. That's really cool. That's like such a game changer. Else here, it's just a bit of storage for like work, for like tools and stuff. There, and then it's the work desk, like a bookshelf and stuff. Keep my incense under there. So I'll put the laptop typically up there. If I'm working, and then I'll just like work at that. So the computer's at eye level, which is cool, which is like essential for this old back of mine. Then we've got just some music making equipment, drums and guitar crushed into the corner here. And there's a storage space here which has like jackets and stuff. It also has like the kind of electrical stuff underneath there, so that's all hidden away. The bed is basically right here. So this comes up, this opens up and forms the other half of the bed. So I just store it like that during the day. It's just me in here, so I don't mind. Storage space there too. Some bread and stuff up there. Oh yeah, I forgot to show the spice rack. Peanut butter and peanut nuts and stuff like that. All kind of nutty stuff. I love nuts because I'm nuts. Roof light there. I think I've shown this. Anyway, that's pretty much the van. It's very small, but it's only me here, so it's all good. Yeah, I'll do a tour of the outside at some point. But thanks for watching.